Hey Vex, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making something very simple, a continental breakfast. So basically Continental has got no meat, but I'm going to cheat because I like my pancakes with some, oh, I spilled the secret. We're going to make some pancakes later, but for now I am making a fruit bowl which has got some mango, some apple, as well as some yogurt, as you can see from these results here. Now we're going to line up our ingredients for the pancakes. Oof, we need a bowl so that you can mix the dry ingredients in. Now I'm going to collect my butter. I usually use 4 tablespoons for this recipe, and then I need to melt my butter, and then you're going to set it aside later. This is the very last wet ingredient that you're going to put. You need to melt it in the very beginning. Now, mixing up the dough for the pancakes, you're going to use 4 tablespoons of sugar into our bowl, and then we're going to need about 2 cups of flour. You can use self-raising flour, all-purpose flour, whatever you want. And then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of baking powder and then 1 tablespoon of bicarb of soda. My bad. That's actually teaspoons of baking powder. Bicarb of soda. I'm so sorry about that. And then you're going to mix the dry ingredients up completely in our bowl. And then you're going to need to get a jug or something sunken to mix your wet ingredients in. For this one, you're going to need 2 whole eggs. And then you're going to just throw them in there. And then after the eggs, I need you to make some buttermilk. Now, for this buttermilk, you can put lemon juice or vinegar to make buttermilk with just any normal milk. So that's 1 tablespoon and 1 cup of milk. And then for vanilla essence, I literally just let it rip. I don't use measurements for that one. And then you're going to need to whisk it together completely. Like, just take your time and enjoy that. Oof, guys, I love how this looks. It's so relaxing just to watch this. Then you're going to pour your wet ingredients over your dry ingredients. And then this is the most interesting part. Please do not mess this up. Listen closely. You're going to want to fold in the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. So for this part, you're going to spell pancakes with me. And that's it. If you do more than that, more than pancakes, you're already doing way too much. And then if you overfold, you're going to release gluten and your pancakes won't be as fluffy as you need them to be. So pancakes, P-A-N-C-A-K. Ooh, what's that? E-S, and that is all. If you have to mix more than that, you're doing way too much. You can leave it to be lumpy, it's fine. Now, when you're done, I'm going to need you to take your batter and put it into the refrigerator for just 10 minutes. Now, while we wait for that to cool down, I'm going to make my sides. I'm going to make some bacon. When you start seeing those holes there, that's when you have to turn it because now it's ready, it's cooked. And this is the final result. I hope you like this, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Please try it out and let me know.